Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 monitor arms in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading monitor arm that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The VIVO Dual Monitor Desk Mount. Let's get started. The VIVO Stand V002 is a sleek, heavy-duty steel mount that accommodates two monitors ranging from 13-inch to 30. It's compatible with VISA 75 by 75 mm or 100 by 100 mm backside mounting holes. Plus, those cable management clips? A game changer. Need to adjust your screens? No problem. The adjustable arm offers a wide range of motion, plus 90 degrees to minus 90 degrees tilt, 180 degrees swivel, and 360 degrees rotation. Whether you prefer portrait or landscape orientation, this mount has you covered. Worried about stability? Fear not. The VIVO Stand V002 mounts securely to your desk using a heavy-duty C-clamp. Alternatively, you can opt for the grommet mount if that's more your style. Hate complicated setups? You're not alone. The detachable VISA bracket plates make mounting your monitors a breeze. Plus, we provide clear instructions and all the necessary hardware. No stress here. In conclusion, the VIVO Dual Monitor Desk Mount is a reliable, space-saving solution for dual-screen setups. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to ergonomic bliss. Number 4. The HUANUO Single Monitor Mount. If you're tired of neck strain and cluttered desks, stick around, this might be the solution you've been searching for. First up, let's talk adaptability. The HUANUO monitor arm is a versatile companion for your 13 to 32-inch monitors. It supports weights from 4.4 to 19.8 pounds and fits VISA patterns of 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm. Whether you're rocking a dual-screen setup or a single display, this mount has you covered. Now, what sets this apart? Unlike other monitor arms that require a PhD in screw tightening, the HUANUO arm keeps things simple. With a tilt range from minus 50 degrees to plus 85 degrees, 360 degrees rotation, and a plus or minus 90 degrees swivel, you can adjust your screen effortlessly. No more strained necks, just smooth adjustments with one hand. Time is precious, especially when setting up tech gear. Fear not. The HUANUO monitor arm is a breeze to install. 3 simple steps. First, affix the bracket to your table. Second, attach your monitor to the VISA plate. Last but not least, let's talk space. The C-clamp or grommet mounting base is like a magician's trick. It saves over 80% of your desktop real estate compared to those chunky vertical stands. In conclusion, so there you have it, folks. The HUANUO single monitor mount, adaptable, easy to install, and space efficient. Number 3. The HUANUO Dual Monitor Stand. If you're tired of cluttered desks and neck strain from staring down at your screens, this might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's get into the details. The HUANUO Dual Monitor Stand is a versatile companion for your flat or curved monitors. It accommodates screen sizes from 13 to 30 inches, and it's compatible with VISA patterns 75 by 75 and 100 by 100. Each arm can handle a weight range of 4.4 to 19.8 pounds. What sets the HUANUO stand apart? Its smart structural design. Unlike other hinge brackets, this one prioritizes stability. No wobbles or unexpected dips here. Installation options include a sturdy C-clamp or a grommet base. Both ensure a secure grip on your desk, keeping your monitors safe and sound. Say goodbye to awkwardly adjusting screws to find the perfect angle. The gas elastic system in this desk arm allows for smooth, effortless adjustments. Swivel, tilt, and rotate your monitors to your heart's content. The HUANUO dual monitor stand comes with an instruction manual and all the standard mounting hardware you need. No rocket science required. In conclusion, so there you have it, folks. The HUANUO dual monitor stand combines stability, flexibility, and comfort. Number 2. The VIVO single monitor arm desk mount. If you're tired of cluttered desks and want to elevate your screen experience, stick around. First up, let's talk compatibility. The VIVO stand V001 can handle screens up to 32 inches or 38 inches. Whether you've got a compact monitor or a widescreen beauty, this mount has you covered. Flexibility is key. With a full range of motion, this mount lets you tilt your monitor from plus 90 degrees to minus 90 degrees, swivel a full 360 degrees, and even rotate it. Plus, adjust the height along the center pole for the perfect eye level. Say goodbye to cable chaos. The VIVO stand V001 features detachable cable clips on the arms and center pole. Keep your power cords and AV cables organized, so your setup looks sleek and professional. No DIY nightmares here. Mounting your monitor is a breeze. The detachable VISA plates make installation straightforward. We provide all the necessary hardware and step-by-step instructions, no stress. In conclusion, thanks for tuning in. If you're ready to declutter your workspace and upgrade your monitor setup, check out the VIVO single monitor arm desk mount. Number 1. The MOUNTUP single monitor desk mount. If you're tired of cluttered desks and neck strain from staring at your monitor, stay tuned. We've got something exciting to share. The MOUNTUP monitor desk mount is a versatile solution. It fits LED OLED QLED flat or curved screens up to 32 inches. Plus, it supports VISA patterns of 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm. Compatible with popular brands like Asus, Acer, Samsung, and more. Get ready for flexibility. This single monitor arm rotates 360 degrees, allowing seamless landscape or portrait orientation. Swivel it 180 degrees to share your screen, and tilt it up 90 degrees or down 45 degrees for optimal viewing comfort. No DIY nightmares here. The MOUNTUP mount offers hassle-free assembly. Choose between a drill-free C-clamp or a grommet base. Say goodbye to cable chaos. The heavy-duty monitor arm includes built-in cable management. Plus, it frees up over 80% of your desktop space, making room for creativity and productivity. In conclusion, just 15 minutes, you'll transform your workspace. The MOUNTUP single monitor desk mount combines style, functionality, and comfort. Hit that like button if you're ready to upgrade. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.